welcome back to my channel Golden Honey, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of transplanting plants from the back. I'm going to bring to the front, and the plant that's in the front I'm going to move it into another pot. So if you're new to my channel, I'm so glad to have you here. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so every time I put out an awesome video you'll be notified. And don't forget to head over to my online store softandluscious.com to buy some lovely lady apparel. So guys, here's a little quick update on my garden. I did had cabbage collards here. I had 2 of them, and I had cucumbers right here. I had to uproot them because they became infested with white flies. For some god reason, I could not get them under control, so I had to take them up. I mean, it was like a colossal infestation of white flies. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cabbage here, since this one's actually surviving and really get too bad beat up with the flies, so the other one did, and I'm going to put it in the other pot over there. So let's go to the backyard. I'm going to show you the other plant I'm going to move into this pot here from the back. Let's go. Alright, so here we are. I got my pepper plants here and my Brussels sprouts, which you can see is growing out of control. I will eventually come and do some trimming of the leaves. I had to literally put these little sticks in here, these bamboo sticks. I think I had some to stand them up because they were all leaning to the over into the cayenne peppers. So I had to stand them right back up, and I might actually so I'm gonna move this one first. I'm gonna move this to the front into that pot. The cayenne, this is the hot cayenne, right? Yeah, the hot cayenne pepper. And I'm gonna actually possibly, but probably not on this video, but I'm gonna move these Brussels sprouts over a little bit here so they have more room, because I noticed one of my Brussels sprouts in the middle is not really getting enough sunlight. It's that small one right there. It's not getting enough sunlight, so I need to move it over so everything can get some light, and also make more room for everything to grow properly, because it's not getting enough breathing room. And I think we have a little bit of white flies in here as well, so I can get that under control when I go to trimming it. But first I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the front and move the other one to the other pot. Let's go back to the front first. Alright, so I have my little box here to put my extra dirt in there. So I have my pot right here. You probably can't see it. Can you see it? I have a pot here, a box here, so I can put the dirt in there. So when I transfer it, it won't be so messy, and I won't lose dirt, sorry, and I won't lose dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some dirt out of this pot here, and I'm gonna put into this box, and then I'm gonna transfer this plant here. Hopefully it's not too far down, and I can easily put it from one place to another. Right, so let's go. Let's make a hole. Let me put you down some so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, that should be good enough. Hope this camera's not too crooked for y'all. I'm gonna bring you up a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dig up this one. Good, it's not that far down. That went nicely. Not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and add more dirt back into it. I'm gonna go ahead and make a hole here, and then I'm gonna go to the back and transport the cayenne to the front. So let me move this thing out of the way for now. I actually might put that back on for the cayenne, so it has some support, because that does get heavy after a while if it gets really big. So my poke cabbage collar's dead. Wow, wow, wow. Well, it didn't die, it just had infestation and I couldn't get rid of it, and it was spreading around, so I just had to get rid of it, so unfortunately. So let me go ahead and make a hole here, and I'm gonna head to the back. Be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I have my hole now. I'm going to now go to the backyard and get that cayenne pepper. Okay, now I'm back in the backyard. I'm going to uproot this hot cayenne. You see, I got some cayennes growing here. I will do a video on how to make cayenne pepper powder, you know, for your cooking, but that's another day. But I'm going to uproot this cayenne here. I'm going to put it in a bucket, which I have right here, because I don't have an extra pot to put it in or anything else to put it in to transfer to the front. Hopefully this is big enough, which I think it is, because it's not really that big. So it's like a little miniature tree. So hopefully the transplant should go well. Alright, y'all, so make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button, and let's get to this. Let's do this. Hot cayenne. Yeah, I'm gonna break this off this way. Look at it now. Yeah, I broke it off. Got a few peppers on there. Put it in the house. Yeah, I think it'll make it a whole lot easier to transplant into the bucket. What we're gonna do is make a little hole around it, like a little trench. Hopefully the roots are not too far down. Hope y'all can see, hope I'm not in the way. Ooh, the sun is beaming. Off the top. Alright, yeah, I managed to get it out. It was a hard work, so I actually don't need the bucket so much, but I'm gonna hurry up and try to get this to the front. So it doesn't die on me. Let's head to the front, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I made it to the front. Had to run. Neighbors want to talk to you. Alright, so I made it to the front. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. I think this is pretty far in. I'm gonna start shoveling. I'm gonna make sure I water the crap out of this thing. Hope y'all can see. Get a little closer. I think I'm gonna position it this way, because I do have cars that come by and I don't want to get hit by cars, so I'm gonna position it halfway this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and start burying it now. The thing about cayenne plants, the roots don't really go down too far. I remember this spring, early spring, We were digging up the old plants. If you see my other previous videos, the garden project. The roots wasn't really that far down in the garden bed, the raised bed. So, there's my dirt. So, I wasn't surprised that the roots wasn't that far down. Alrighty, let's pack it down. We can pour the rest of it in there. I managed to get dirt from the back. It doesn't seem like a lot. But no. Yeah, I might get dirt from the back, but this might be good. I'm gonna go ahead and water it as well. This and that cabbage over there. Hopefully this will do well. And I actually might put that thing back on top of it, that cage. Yeah, I might actually put this cage back on there. This red cage I got when I had over the cucumber. Cause cayennes can get pretty big and they can get really windy in the front. And I don't want to plant it down in on me. So gently put this in there. Kind of got it in there. Please don't die on me, cayenne pepper. Okay, I managed to get it in there. I lost a few peppers, but it is what it is. It's transplanting. So I'm gonna go ahead and water these two plants, the cabbage and the this cayenne right here. Keep in mind, your plant will sometimes go into shock if you ever transplant them from one place to another. Especially being a tree, they may droop for maybe a day or maybe even 2 days. But just keep it watered and keep an eye on it, and it should bounce right back. Let me go get that water container from the back. Just in case y'all was wondering how it looks now that the cayenne is gone, this is how it looks. There's a big hole there. I'll back up for you. That's how big it is, right? Those brush sprouts are really getting huge. Oh no, moth! Go away! Go away! They're demons. They lay babies. Go shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah, don't let moths or butterflies land in your garden. They may be beautiful and like into the eyes, but they lay eggs, and the eggs hatch into caterpillars, and caterpillars wreak havoc over your plants. I mean, they're like super hard to get rid of, so don't let moths land into your garden if you can help it, right? Anyways, here's that watering can I was talking about. I have two of them. Like I said, if you ever seen a previous video, like the garden project, you know that we do not have a watering hose, and we water everything by hand, as you can see. So let's head to the front. Okay, as you can see, the cayenne is now wilting. It's kind of in shock a little bit, and I gave it a little shake trying to get it inside the little cage. But this will get pretty big, so I'm like, you know, nothing to be worried about, nothing to be afraid. So it's gonna wilt for a while, like I said earlier. Just give it some water like I'm about to. And also this one's doing pretty darn well. It didn't wilt not one bit. It's a crucible vegetable, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go ahead and water these. So I went ahead and put it in its proper spot. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it like half of this. And I'm gonna put half in the cayenne. So give it a generous amount. That's about halfway. So let's move over to that cayenne. So this is how my cayenne pepper plant is doing right now after being transplanted. It's kind of wilting, but it'll be alright like I said before. And the cabbage is doing just fine as I thought it would. I will come back with an update on these plants as soon as possible. Alright y'all, hope you enjoyed this video of me transplanting my plants from one place to another, one pot to another, or raised bed to another, whatever you want to call it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so every time I put out an awesome video, you'll be notified. And don't forget to head over to my online store, softandluscious.com, to buy some lovely lady apparel. Bye! Happy gardening!